This is a Pixel 7 Pro with a cracked screen. I sent it for repair to Google and they sent it back, basically saying that the screen was broken, that the connector wasn't working, I mean it couldn't be charged, and that there were software issues. So they sent it back because the other option they proposed was to change the whole thing, so basically buying a refurbished one instead of just replacing the screen. Just to show that the connector is working, I'm gonna plug it here. So the phone came to life, it's charging. We can see that it's like 49% and charging. The screen doesn't work at all. I mean, the touch bar is like not working. So I have connected a mouse via Bluetooth. And we can see that, I mean, the mouse is working, can have access to the menus and things like that. We can go to web pages, surf the web. So I mean, the phone works. There's no software issue. Right now it's in repair mode, so we don't see my data or my wife's data because it's her phone. And well, it's charging. So I'm gonna send it back again to Google. Hopefully this time they will be able to fix this, to change the screen. And like last time, I asked also for the battery replacement because the battery works, but I mean, if they are like already opening, I think it's worth to pay $30 more to get a new battery. So this phone lasts for another 2 years or more. So that's it. So the phone is working. So I think that we can even open the camera. Yeah, this time. And well, the phone works. Something else, let me show maybe the image so you can see that it's actually that phone. I have it here. So you can see Android version. So it matches the one that I sent and got returned back. Okay.